For 2 decades, PWR has grown from humble beginnings to become a global leader in automotive industry thermal management solutions. PWR is a great Australian manufacturing and export story. Based on the Gold Coast, Australia, PWR manufactures high-performance aluminium radiators, intercoolers, oil coolers and IT industry cooling solutions.
We're a very unique company. There's not many companies do what we do around the world, let alone in Australia. When we started doing radiators, we come across different areas that felt that needed a specialty type supplier, and people weren't getting, what they really wanted.
The story began in 1996 for Kees Wheel and his son Paul. For the next 10 years, PWR grew and dominated the local market. Then burst onto the world stage to supply some of the biggest names in motorsport. The defining step arrived in 2012. PWR commissioned the build of the largest wind tunnel in the Southern Hemisphere. The tunnel turned theory into real-world values, pushing testing and clever design solutions to new finite levels. To strategically expand the company's reach in the US market, PWR acquired C&R Racing in March 2015. The acquisition drove the PWR brand deep into the epicentre of North American motorsport, niche automotive, OEMs and military markets. In November 2015, PWR listed on the Australian Stock Exchange. By 2018, the factory had doubled in size.
The growth of PWR has been somewhat astonishing, and I think it's probably fair to say that it's exceeded the expectations of all of those involved. It started off literally as Paul working in the corner of a family business, and it's swiftly grown to what is today 170 staff here in Queensland, Australia. I think we're 60-something staff in Indianapolis and 5 staff in the UK.
PWR invests heavily in staff retention and skills growth, from apprentices to senior management. The business also strongly embraces the wider concept of family.
Staff to us is very close to our heart. It's like a big family company, and that's why we bring in young engineers, young apprentices, and we do all the training in-house, so culture is paramount.
Protecting sensitive intellectual property is another major contributing factor to the PWR success story, and a critical element for clients. Every aspect of the process is contained in-house. This delivers an agile, flexible approach to manufacturing, shrouded under the protection of strict confidentiality.
What sets us apart the most is a tremendous can-do attitude, and the fact that we control everything and every aspect of the process in-house here at PWR. That's one of the significant contributors to our success.
The core pillars of PWR are passion, skill, education, experience, craftsmanship, teamwork, performance. World's best management and manufacturing practice is backed up by international certifications. Motorsport is embedded in the core DNA. The client base includes almost every imaginable category around the world, with widespread success including World Championship victories, Formula One, World Rally Championship, NASCAR and IndyCar in the United States, DTM, Germany, Super GT, Japan, off-road competition including the Dakar Rally, and supercars at home in Australia. And although based on the Gold Coast, PWR is connected to the world, perfecting the art of rapid response and shipping times.
I think one of the major advantages that PWR has to our customers is the ability to offer a tremendous amount of flexibility in terms of the designs offered. We can iterate to the best solution very, very quickly through our testing capabilities. And we have got complete control of the quality processes and the delivery of service by being able to manage all of those processes in-house.
The PWR manufacturing capability is impressive. Atmospheric controlled braze furnace, CNC machine shop, 3, 4 and 5 axis machining centres, research and development including a dedicated wind tunnel facility, engineering with 2 and 3D design, short lead time production of assemblies and tooling, performance testing on heat transfer and pressure drop, radiator, intercooler and oil cooler assembly, machine and tool design and manufacture, press shop, wire cutting and CMM, fabrication and welding, CNC metal punching and folding.
Quite honestly, the company is not limited in terms of its possibilities. The real opportunities are around niche OEM automotive, hybrid electric drive systems and battery cooling systems. The automotive market is changing with the electrification, and we're very much ready to be a part of it.
We're in a great place. We're in a great place. We've had a lot of great experiences with a lot of great companies, and our partnerships with companies and customers moving forward is vital to us.
We've recently launched into a collaboration with Aston Martin to design a high-performance road car. We've very much been responsible for the package and aerodynamics of that. It's, by those sorts of cars standards, a very small car, especially mechanically. So if you strip away the bodywork, it's actually a lot smaller than any of its competitors. And that, of course, creates all sorts of packaging problems. Side radiators, no radiators at the front, one big stack of radiators on the side. So again, the aerodynamics of that and getting a package that fits in with the stylist's wishes, our aerodynamic desires, and trying to cool a big V12 engine with an electrical hybrid package on it as well has been quite a challenge. Based on our Formula One experience and successful relationship with PWR, then the logical choice was to talk to PWR, and once again they've come up with a very good package, built to a slightly lower or tighter budget, I should say, than the F1 radiators, but still a very high quality lightweight package that's enabled us to meet our targets on weight and aerodynamics.
C&R is the North American headquarters to PWR Advanced Cooling Technologies. Our Indianapolis-based facility is deep-rooted in supplying world-class motorsports and performance automotive industry cooling solutions. With a history of providing components to top professional race teams and key industry organizations, our products have proven to withstand the toughest environments. As a leader in cooling research and development, C&R USA offers full engineering and design services with flexible on-site manufacturing. C&R's support and services are designed to meet the needs of today's advanced clientele, and as part of the PWR Group, we are able to compete in a global environment. As a part of PWR's focus on expansion, the C&R facility has undergone a sizable renovation, expanding its footprint to 46,000 square feet, and now includes a state-of-the-art controlled atmosphere brazing furnace. C&R is now fully equipped to provide a broad scope of services, including engineering, design, and analysis from prototype to production, on-site manufacturing, an extensive inventory of tube and fin materials, an in-house sheet metal shop, an in-house machine shop equipped with CNC lathes, 3-axis and 5-axis mills, 20-plus TIG welding stations, access to the wind tunnel and heat rejection testing at PWR, a quality control department with CMM and Romer arm equipment, and our technical support staff prepared for your inquiries. From top-tier race teams to emerging technology businesses to one-of-a-kind specialty vehicle builders, customers from diverse backgrounds and of all sizes use C&R products for their cooling solutions. Our customers have peace of mind that C&R has systems in place to produce quality components they can rely on. Being ISO certified and a Tier 1 supplier to an OEM manufacturer means we've implemented important processes and protocol to ensure our commitment to best practices. With our deep experience in providing high-tech cooling solutions and by continually looking forward to develop leading-edge components, C&R is at the forefront of cooling innovation. C&R products are built locally by our skilled staff with state-of-the-art equipment. Contact C&R for your cooling needs. We'll be there to supply the best solution for your unique cooling challenges.
It's all about being a global company that everywhere around the world we work off one base of engineering, R&D. You know, we've got a couple of OE programs being started in Germany. The other one will be a local program here in America. That has helped C&R tremendously, and it's certainly helped us as in PWR that we have a sister company that is on our level. One is to take some of our overflow of business away, but also push into the American market where it's certainly needed. We're one of the few companies that can turn very quickly in product development and also for particular cars that people want custom-built cars.
C&R is a technology company. We invest in technology. We invest in moving forward. As we went through the process of selecting a vendor for our robotic welding, we met with the folks at Lincoln. We found that they were on the same page. Lincoln had also invested in new technology and new TIG methods for welding, and it ended up being a real good fit both on the equipment side and the people side. Well, one of the main benefits of the robot welder is that it allows us to make the same number of parts that would normally take up to 3 or 4 times as much with our manual welders. And that's really important as you scale up your business and grow your business to be able to do that in your existing factory. We'll be using the Lincoln robotic welder for those higher volume projects, and that'll free our welders up to concentrate more on the one-offs and the 5-off products that we do. The robot welder will give us flexibility, and that flexibility is going to allow us to take on more projects and actually grow the business and expand.
C&R Advanced Cooling Technology has developed a performance cooling package for the Ford F-150 Raptor. This is a premium cooling solution using engineered tube and fin technology to get the most performance out of your vehicle. Designed for the 2017 or newer 3.7-liter Ford EcoBoost Raptor, C&R has created a premium cooling package that combines a radiator, charge air cooler, and transmission oil cooler for optimal cooling performance. Drawing from our experience in the off-road racing industry, C&R has designed an improved direct-fit radiator using our exclusive tube and fin technology. By removing the existing OEM shroud louvers, the C&R Charge Air Cooler has been relocated to fit directly behind the front grille to promote maximum ram air that flows over our lightweight extruded intercooler tubes. This results in lower intake air temperatures while increasing cooling efficiency and horsepower. The C&R transmission oil cooler has been relocated in the original OEM Charge Air Cooler location, utilizing the factory ductwork to achieve lower transmission oil temperatures. With an increased size and more direct airflow, you gain better efficiency, lower pressure drop, and cooler ram air. C&R has included a relocation kit to ensure ease of installation. The kit includes charge air cooler and transmission oil cooler brackets, new piping for the charge air cooler, along with all necessary hardware and silicone hoses. No drilling is required. These C&R cooling components combine to take your Raptor's performance to the next level by decreasing intake air temperatures and lowering engine temperatures, achieving improved throttle response. This premium cooling package provides Raptor owners with an unmatched solution for their high-performance needs. Contact C&R at 317-293-4100 or visit our website at www.crracing.com.